Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our employee equity account. So let's get started. So to log into your employee equity account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for employee equity login. And after searching for employee equity login, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says login. So after tapping on that option, here you can find your login section. So what you can do is just simply enter your username and password. And after entering your username and password, what you can do is just simply tap on login. So after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot your password and then reset or recover your account's password. So after resetting or recovering your account's password, you just have to come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your employee equity account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.